welcome back to my channel, and today's gonna be another packing video. It's probably gonna be a short one, honestly. So I'm gonna be packing outfit on a short travel. So honestly, I don't know what I'm taking, but I got some fake nails to try out because I wanted to do my nails. But I just don't got time, and I ran out of monomer, so I couldn't do my nails. So I bought these Kiss ones. I'm gonna try them out later today, but I'm gonna pack, and my battery's dying. Love that. Anyways, I'm back. I changed my battery because it died on me. So yeah, later I'm gonna try the nails. I just came up with my outfits right now. I'm gonna show y'all. So these are like some quick, easy, basic items to have when you travel and you know what to wear, and I'm gonna help you with the winter basics. Here are my must-have basics to travel when it's like winter time, because you know it's really hard to figure out like what to wear. And if you're gonna take some cute Instagram photos, you want to have some cute aesthetic photos, but you don't know what outfits to wear and you want to change up your outfits because you don't want to wear the same thing, I got you. So for basics, always need, you're gonna be needing jeans, joggers, and leggings. So that's what I'm gonna be taking this trip coming up. First, I'm gonna be taking for my trip, I picked light gray ones, and then jeans. These are my favorite jeans at the moment right now. They're my Abercrombie 90 straight jeans. So super cute. So these are gonna be taking. Whatever leggings you have, booze, just bring your leggings. So I'm taking my black leggings for bottoms. Got it. And then the pair of shoes I'm gonna wear are like my trendy ones. I always want to wear like trendy shoes. So the trendy shoes I'm gonna be taking are my white Air Forces. So it's been wearing all throughout the trip. So I don't have to worry about another extra pair of shoes. If you want, you can. But I'm just gonna take my Air Forces. So bottoms are checked. Shoes checked. For tops now, okay, the basic tops I'm gonna be taking, I'm taking a shirt, like a long, just like a long basic shirt. So I'm just taking the brown one and what I'm gonna do with it. So with this, I'm gonna tuck it in my bra and wear it with my leggings. So that's how I'm gonna style it. For my joggers, I'm going to take my forest green Target crop sweater. Super cute. So that's gonna be looking real cute with my Air Forces, and then my outfit with the jeans. Well, this cute little sweater that I got from Walmart. It's super cute. So with this, with my 90 straight jeans, I might tuck this into my bra too. Maybe, I don't know. But those are my outfits for the trip. We're done already, and I freaking love that. So now I'm gonna put them in my packing cubes, and it's gonna be a lot easier.
Hard. I'm locked inside tonight, but my heart is somewhere else. I'm thinking of you, babe, and all your crazy ways.
And I already did my undergarments, so it's already packed in there. So now we're gonna do my pajamas. So I'm just gonna be wearing some like joggers I have. I was gonna wear my Christmas ones, but I decided not to. So I'm just gonna wear a random tee.
I miss you more right now. It must be these hard.
The deodorant I'm gonna be taking, I got a little travel one. This is the one I'm taking, my little travel deodorant, and put this in the little zipper. And then for body spray, my night body spray and my lotion. So I'm gonna be taking my pink Fresh and Clean scent, and then for perfume, I'm gonna take my Ariana Grande. I think this is the newest one. I'm almost done with it to try it out, and it smells delicious. 10 out of 10 recommend to get. So I'm gonna be putting these in my little zipper. And then for jewelry, I'm gonna take these gold hoops. They're from Amazon. I'll link them down below. And then for a necklace, this is hard because I don't have that much gold jewelry since it's gold. And then just like a little chain. These are the only jewelry pieces I'm taking, so I'm just gonna put them in my little baggie and my earrings. Done that. I've been really trying out different like foundations and concealers, and so far already I've been loving the Huda Beauty, and that's what I'm wearing today. It looks so good, boobs. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows different. So I'm gonna be packing my makeup. So first off, you gotta pack your hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put that in my skincare bag. I'm gonna do my skincare bag first since it's easy.
Silhouettes in the neon lights, see my reflection in your eyes. Maybe it's love, or maybe the wait is over. Gonna dance on the floor all night, make the most of this one lifetime. It's feeling like love.
all my makeup out and I put it in this bag because I don't got room. So I'm gonna use this as my makeup brush bag, and then this is my skincare bag. So I'm gonna be doing the brushes right now. So my favorite clips. These are my pink clips for my hair. My heat protectant, the best one yet I've tried so far. Redken. My Quay little leave-in conditioner, hairbrush, toothpaste. I'm gonna put them in my little zipper. Okay, I was eating these earlier. Airheads Extremes. Bomb, go get them. But my snack, I'm taking some more air. But these have like white filling in it. I don't know. I got these and some nice crispy cookies. I need to have some junk with me. But I'm taking this purse. It's a Michael Kors one. I got this for my birthday, so yeah, to show y'all. It's probably the purse I'll be taking easy peasy. And I'm be taking some AirPods, some mints. And look at my cute case I got from Bath & Body Works. I got this for my birthday too. It's so neat, sparkly, glamorous. But the hand sanitizer I've been loving is this one. It's my favorite. Yes, I'm gonna be using that one. My wallet. And then for lips, it's really hard for me to take lips because it's hard what combo to be doing. So I take a bag like this because I don't want to ruin the inside. So I of course I have my eyelash glue, my tweezers. I need to get another eyelash glue. I'm almost running out. But for lip combo, the Marlo Twins lipstick with the lip liner. I really like that combo. And then I guess I'm gonna take my strip down in Abu Dhabi. That's gonna be like the prettiest nude I can do instead of like a really bold lip. So this is all I'm taking in my purse. Yeah, because I just got done packing. I'm done. I'm chilling. I take a shower and then I'm gonna put some kiss nails on. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully they turn out really pretty. And I put my snacks in a little bag. So guys, I am done packing. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy short video of me packing because I'm so tired. So I hope you guys enjoy my packing. I gotta pack my laptop, my techno stuff. I'll be posting a lot on my Instagram and I want y'all to follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my TikTok because I'm gonna be posting. I'm gonna try to post my TikTok, but for my Instagram more likely because I'm always on there. Yeah, so definitely go follow me and I'll see you guys later. Bye.